The center of a hyperbola is 1 unit above the origin and 3 units to the left of the origin. The distance between the two vertices is 4 units. Each asymptote has a gradient of plus or minus 3 over 2. Draw this hyperbola. Okay, to first draw this hyperbola, I'm going to pick an origin. I'm going to pick an origin here. If that is the origin, we're going to start by going 1 unit up and 3 units to the left. And that becomes the center. Okay, and I'm going to just mark the origin in red so we know where we started, and the center in black. Then the distance between the two vertices is 4 units, meaning that the center of the hyperbola is right bang in the middle. So the vertices are going to be 2 units either side. And the asymptotes have a gradient of 3 over 2, meaning that if I were to draw them, they would have to go from the center out 3, up 3 across 2, up 3 across 2. And I'm going to use a ruler to help me get that more precise. So here we go. Up 3 across 2. Okay, that's a gradient there. And I'm going to just rule this. I'm going to draw it with a dotted line because it's an asymptote. And then I'm going to do the same thing, but this time negative 3 over 2. So up or down 3 across 2. And once again, a dashed line because it's an asymptote. Okay, I can get rid of my ruler, and so I need to draw a shape, and I'm going to draw it in blue that goes through the purple dots and close to these lines. So here we go. That's one hyperbola part, and my other hyperbola part. But notice that the distance between the two vertices is 4 units. Now we'll work out the equation of this hyperbola. The equation of this hyperbola, remembering that the generic hyperbola has the equation x minus k squared over a squared minus y minus h squared over b squared equals 1. Let's look at all the points. So a is going to be the horizontal distance here. So a is that distance there. A is equal to 2. And k and h are the coordinates of the center. Sorry, I think I've got the letters around the wrong way. That's an H and that's a K. So H comma K is equal to, well, that's back 3, so minus 3 and up 1, comma 1. So let's plug them in. So we have x minus 3, so plus 3 squared over, sorry, only 1 over 2 squared minus y minus 1 squared over b squared equals 1. Now to work out this b value, what we do is we take a straight up line from our vertex. And we take a straight up line from our vertex and see where they cross. And so we find that distance there is 3. Sorry, this distance up here is 3. So b equals 3. So my final equation is going to be x plus 3 squared over 2 squared minus Sorry, you can't see that. Give me 1 second. X over 3 over 2 squared minus y minus 1 squared over 3 squared equals 1. I hope that makes sense.